Namaskara Karnataka, welcome all of you to We Karnataka, KCT and boards. I am Miss Gopika, your own biology master teacher. So all of you let me know in the chats if I am audible, visible and the presentation right behind me is also visible. Quickly let me know. I am waiting to see all of you chat because this is technically our very short live that is going to happen between all of us, right? Yes. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ Bangalore weather tumba change agide, so I think all of you will be suffering a little with the rains, but tell me about other parts. How is other places doing? Yes, all of you can tell hi in the chat box. Don't have to hesitate, don't feel shy. I'm meeting this ma'am for the first time. Will she scold me for telling hi? No, you can always tell hi to ma'am. You can always put fire emojis in the chat box when I'm joining the class. Okay, ready na ellaru? I think ellaru join ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Let me share the link. Yes. Okay, I think all are joining slowly. Okay, let's start. Question madna salpa. Okay, first question. The fusion of female reproductive nucleus with the male reproductive nucleus is known as what? That is, if male nucleus and female nucleus come together, what is the process called as? Is it called as adoption? Is it called as excretion? Is it called as fertilization? Is it called as regeneration? So students, please do understand that I have taken these questions from previous year questions. I have modified little the grammar and everything. Okay, biology exam got over for you people. For the south and the north students, it's going to happen on 26th. So when was your exams? So I think students, the whole timing is different. Midterms, everyone has a different timing. So we're not even, that's why I put 4 and 5 marks questions before. So all of you can practice that. And now we are doing the MCQs. Okay. So bega answer na, tell the answer in the chat box. All of you quickly. Yes, tell me the answer. Let me check the voice. And the north students, it's going to happen on 20th. Yes, awesome. Okay, answer bandbiteno C alva, because here students, what are they talking about? Female reproductive organ, that is egg. When egg fuses with normal sperm, what is going to happen? It is going to lead to fertilization. Same thing can happen where we do the egg plus the male gamete in plants. That will also lead to fertilization. Artha aita ellargu? Okay, that will also lead to fertilization. Okay, quickly like madi video na. Everyone like the video, quickly like the video, so I will get to know if you are enjoying the session. Okay, so chalo, let's go. So the first answer is going to be fertilization. Clear? Okay, clear? Okay, next question. We'll finish questions very fast. Okay, fast you answer. Exam got over, exam didn't get over, don't worry, keep answering. We are preparing you for your boards. Okay, midsem is just one part of it. We are preparing you for boards, so adak prepare agbeku. Okay, KCT classes start agutte, bega start agutte, don't worry, very soon it is going to start. Mostly by this weekend only it will start. Okay, this week and next week it is going to start. Okay, yes, so answer madi. Generative nucleus divides forming what? Generative nucleus. I have explained this for you all in the first session, in the second session, 4 and 5 marks, HOTS. I have explained you everywhere, right? Generative nucleus can divide forming how many? How many of them? Quickly answer in the chat box. I want to see all of your answers. Okay, I want to see how all of you are going to do it. Okay, I will be very proud. Yes, very good Akshata. Very good. Keep going, the spirit should continue. So students, almost remember this, in 60% of the angiosperm, generator cell is going to divide into one male gamete, right? One male gamete in 60% of the angiosperm. This is called the 2-cell stage. In the rest of them, it is going to divide to form 2 male gametes. That is, okay, 2 male gametes. Clear? Yes or no? 2 male gametes. So in 60% it is going to form into a 2-celled stage. Okay, 2-celled stage. The 2-cell stage includes what? One generative cell and one vegetative cell. Okay, one generative cell and vegetative cell. Vegetative cell will give all the nutrition for the growing generative cell, so the generative cell can form its male gamete. So here the answer is going to be generative nuclei divides into two nuclei. That is going to be, see, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ doubt ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If it was 1 and 2, you might have a doubt. Ma'am, is it 60%? Is it about the rest of them? Is it 2 cell stage? Is it about the 3 cell stage? That doubt is gone. Why that doubt is gone? Because here they have given only 2 and 3, right? 2 male nuclei. 2 male nuclei. So generative nucleus divides forming 2 male nuclei. Next one. Embryo sac is located inside what? Come on, all of you tell me. Embryo sac is located inside what? So I have taught you anatropous ovule. All of you remember? I have taught you anatropous ovule. Okay, I have taught you embryo sac separately. Now you tell me the location of this. Easy question, easy question. I want all of you to answer. Even when, if you're watching this video later recorded, I want you to put the answers in the comments, because this is a practice. Remember that mid-sem is one part of it. We are preparing you for the boards. So it's very important. Okay, clear? Very, very important. Okay, I think many students have forgotten about the class. Okay, many students have forgotten about the class. So we will just inform them. Okay. Yes, we will inform them. Done, 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 done. Yes, students, very nice, Bhumika, very nice, very nice, very nice. Bhumika, Akshata, perfect. The answer is going to be, ma'am, none other than our ovule, because inside the anatropous ovule, we all notice that there is the embryo sac. Again, in the embryo sac, what and all is there? Antipodals are there, synergids are there, egg is there, polar nuclei is there. All these were there, right? Now, the entire egg with synergids are called egg apparatus. So, when you are answering, try to revise the whole concept as well. So, embryo sac is located inside the ovule. Pakka, clear? Okay, now the male reproductive parts of a flower, the stamens, are collectively known as, andre the male reproductive parts, stamens. Okay, what is stamens? Anther, okay, and filament. Okay, this is going to be your filament and this is going to be your anther, right? This is going to be your anther. So this is called as a stamen. Many stamens together, what are they going to form is the question. All of you answer. Till that I will just label this. So the students who are seeing it for the first time also will understand. This is filament, this is anther. They are asking the stamens, okay, this is together your stamens. Together stamens. Correct? Now they are asking, they are collectively known as what? Which whorl? Very nice, very nice. I can see Bhumika already answered. Perfect, perfect. We have to see if Bhumika's answer is correct. How can I know that if Bhumika's answer is correct? I want more people to answer, right? I want more people to answer. Yes, go for it, all of you. Confidently go for it. Don't even worry. Okay, don't even worry. You can confidently answer. Yes, yes. Yes, most of you are forgetting to like ಮಾಡಿ video na bega. Okay, like and then yes. Okay, so the answer is going to be andrecium, which is the male reproductive part, right? Which is the male reproductive part. Male reproductive part is none other than your andrecium. Many stamens together forms the andrecium. So many units we are talking about is your anther and filament. Okay, next question. Next question, the process of formation of seeds. Process of formation of seeds without fertilization in flowering plants is known as what? Without fertilization. So, I have taught you this, that we can form fruit. We can form fruit without fertilization. Okay, we can form seed without fertilization. Seed without fertilization. And what is that called as? Okay, both without fertilization. Without fertilization. What is the process called where we can form seeds without? Yes, I can see answers. I can see some answers. Very nice, very nice. Yes, very nice. I can see the answers. I want all of you to answer. Yes, nice, 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 nice. Okay, good job, good job. Yes, ma'am, the answer is none other than your apomixis. So, students, here the process of formation of seed without fertilization is called as apomixis, and the formation of fruit without fertilization is called as parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy. Artha aita? So, repeat madi. Apomixis, parthenocarpy. Apomixis, parthenocarpy. Okay? Next question. Which of the following is not a copper releasing IUD? Which is not a copper releasing IUD? What is a copper releasing IUD? The ones that are going to release copper. Make sure that the sperm is not hospital in that place, right? So, this will be inserted inside the female body, right? Inserted inside the female uterus through the vagina. Okay, female uterus. The full form is intrauterine device, right? Intrauterine device. From the name itself, you know that is inserted through the vagina to the uterus. Intrauterine device. So, here they are asking is, which of the following is not a copper releasing IUD? Intrauterine devices. If you are understanding, if you are answering questions, quickly like the video, share with your classmates, whoever is in your college, share this video with them, okay? Share this video with them. Yes. Okay. Yes, very nice. What's the answer? Let me see, let me see. Very good, Akshata. Very, very good. Very good. The ma'am, the answer is going to be A and C. Because here we have A, LNG20, which is again a hormonal one, right? Hormonal IUD. And we have Lippes loop, which is a non-mediated IUD. Students, see, when you're telling the answer, you should also know why you're choosing this option. Why the other option is not right, right? If you do not know that, then everything is going to be wasted. Because if you do not know why I did not choose LNG, why I did not choose Lippes loop, how will you know which is the right answer? Alva. So, whenever you're solving the question, try to understand, is right or wrong? Why is this wrong? Always question. Ask yourself questions. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not the characteristic of an ideal contraceptive? What is a contraceptive? A protection that we are using, right? It could be a barrier method. It could be IUDs. It could be any method, right? It could be any method. So, here, not the characteristics of an ideal contraceptive. All of you tell me in the chat box. Hi, Mercury. Okay. Yes. Mercury is going to share the video, right? Share the video to all of them. Very good, very good. I can see Charan is here. Yes. Let me see who is going to answer. Which of the following is not the characteristic of an ideal contraceptive? Irreversibility, easily available, user-friendly, effective with least side effect. Very good. The answer is going to be irreversibility, which is not a characteristic. See, when you are using a barrier method, it does not mean that we want to stop the complete pregnancy. We just want to protect ourselves from unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy have to be protected. Now, when we do a surgical method, vasectomy, tubectomy, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಇರ್ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಓಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಅ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ very nice, very nice. Irreversibility. Next question. A widely accepted method of contraception in India, ditto NCRT line. Ditto NCRT line. First line of this paragraph in NCRT. Okay, let's see who's going to answer. Who's going to answer? Yes, quickly answer. Let me see. Let me see who's going to answer. Very nice, Charan. Very nice. After Charan came, everything answer is going to be A. Huh? Yes. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 things you have to do as soon as you join a video, like the video. Second thing, join the telegram, so you will get all this PDF on the telegram. Okay, slowly we will post it on YouTube as well, but still then you can download telegram and join the telegram. Telegram link is the first link. Join the telegram channel. Go down and see, join the telegram channel, you can see, right? Yes, very good. The answer is going to be, ma'am, IUDs, which might be shocking to most of you. Intrauterine device is the most common contraceptive used in India. Okay, intrauterine devices. Clear? It could be copper releasing, it could be hormonal, it could be non-mediated. Now, Hershey and Chase experiment was based on what principle? Hershey and Chase experiment was based on what principle? What principle did they focus on? Okay, did they focus on finding the genetic material? Did they focus on checking if the genetic material is getting transduction, conformation, whatever? What was their principle on working Hershey and Chase experiment? Transformation, translation, transduction, transcription. Ready? Yes, Bhavana, I can see. Very nice. Students, take the confidence answer, no problem. You can make mistake because I'm teaching you here, right? I'm not standing here like a principal. Why did you answer wrong? Why did you answer? Show your hand, I'll hit you. I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm going to learn. I'm going to make sure that you learn with me, okay? Yes. So the answer is going to be transformation, right? Because they were working on the principle of transforming principle, right? Transforming principle. That was done by your Griffith. So Griffith did not know why this happened, but Griffith knew that something happened. Okay, he did not know why it happened, but he knew something happened. Okay, something happened. Yeah, exactly. Charan, it's your problem. Okay, that all the answers are coming A. Okay, next one. The enzyme involved in transcription. So students, very important thing. Tomorrow you are going to get a video on all biology diagrams which I have picked. Okay, all 5-mark questions which are highly repeated diagram based questions. So do not miss it. I want all of you to share it in your college group where you have a lot of friends. Share it with them so that the students who are going to write the exam on 26th, it is going to be really, really helpful to all of them. Okay, Pakka promise. All of you should promise me that you will do that. Now tell me, the enzyme involved in transcription. All of you know transcription is when from DNA, when we form mRNA. Alva, DNA to mRNA is called as transcription. So tell me the enzyme quickly. Quickly tell me the enzyme. Think properly and tell me. See, we are going to form from DNA mRNA. To form mRNA, I will need someone which is a polymerase. That is Pakka. I will need a polymerase to form the new template. But the question is, will I need a DNA or an RNA polymerase? I need to form RNA. I don't want to form DNA. So my answer is going to be, yes, tell me. The answer is going to be RNA polymerase, right? RNA polymerase. So the answer is going to be option number 3, which is RNA polymerase. Clear? Next one. In lac-operon, which protein is not regulated by the repressor? Students, these are your previous year questions. Okay? Yes, definitely. Yes, you can definitely follow. Okay? Yes, in lac-operon, which protein is not regulated by the repressor? That means you have lac-Z, lac-Y, lac-A. I have explained this tomorrow. I'll be explaining this tomorrow for the biology diagram. Okay? So students, Z is going to release beta galactosidase, right? Y is going to release permease. This is your lac-operon model. A is going to release what? Trans-acetylase. Trans-acetylase. Correct? So, out of all this, beta galactosidase, permease, trans-acetylase, all of this are controlled by your repressor. Now, what is the answer going to be? Which protein is not regulated by repressor? Very good, Aerospire. Okay, very nice, Akshita. Very nice. What's the answer? The answer is going to be tryptophan, because galactosidase Z, that is Z, okay, permease Y, and trans-acetylase A. So tryptophan is the only one which is not released by the repressor. Which non-radioactive isotope was used by Messelson and Stahl in their experiment? The question is, which is the non-radioactive isotope? And let me tell you, in Messelson and Stahl experiment, non-radioactive isotopes are used, unlike your Hershey and Chase. okay, unlike your Hershey and Chase. So here what's going to be the answer? I think some people are very fast, okay, some people are very fast in answering. Yes, tell me. All of you, yes, 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 all of you can do this. Very nice. The answer is going to be N15 because P32 and S32 was used in Hershey and Chase experiment. Okay, Hershey and Chase experiment. So N15 is the one which is a non-radioactive isotope which was used. Okay, so both N15 was used, N14 obviously the lighter material. So N15 was a radioactive isotope. Very good, very good. Okay, all of you can clap hands for yourself. Okay, all of you. Chappale odiri. Okay, yes. Histones are positively charged and basic amino acid, positively charged and acidic protein, negatively charged and basic protein absent in bacteria. What is the answer for this? Histones. All of you remember this we are going to learn, and this also I will be teaching you in the diagram video. Packaging. In packaging we are going to learn about histones. So tell me the answer for this. Yes. Yes. Tell me quickly the answer, okay? I think Aero Inspire IITN hasn't liked the video. Yes, like the video. Quickly answer this. 1, okay, some are telling 1. See, all of you know histones are proteins. Second thing you know is DNA is negatively charged. If I want to wound a DNA against something, that has to be positively charged. I have almost given the clue. I have almost given the clue. Yes, tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this. What do you think is the answer for this? Yes. Okay, I can see a few answers. Very nice. What is it, students? They are positively charged and basic amino acids. Okay, they are positively charged and basic amino acid. Good job. I was just checking. No, it's not negatively charged here. Histones have to be positively charged so that it can wound around your negatively charged DNA. It's a packaging material. Okay, it's a packaging material. Next question. Ascaris lumbricoides is a species of parasitic roundworm that lives in. Okay, Ascaris lumbricoides is a species of parasitic roundworm which lives in humans, grasshopper, pigs, and none of the above. Ascaris lumbricoides, all of you know, it causes ascariasis. This you study in your human health and diseases, right? Ascariasis. Ascariasis is a disease caused by Ascaris lumbricoides. Very nice. What's the answer? Quickly. Fastest finger. Okay, fastest finger has to work. Yes, very nice. The answer is going to be humans are going to be the answer. Ascaris lumbricoides is a species of parasitic roundworm that lives in humans. Okay, that lives in humans. Very nice. Next question. Elephantiasis is caused by filarial worms, flatworms, tapeworms, none of the above. Elephantiasis, where all of you would have seen the person's leg gets enlarged. Okay, the person's leg gets enlarged and it will also spread to the genital areas. Okay, the person's leg gets very enlarged. So this is called as elephantiasis disease, which is caused by what? Yes, intestine of humans. Correct. Ascariasis lumbricoides. Very correct. Next one, you can tell me quickly. Quickly, all of you. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. I can see some answers here. The answers are going to be filarial worm. Okay, this elephantiasis is also called as filariasis. So you can remember filariasis. Okay, so you can remember two names are there, filariasis and elephantiasis. So the answer is going to be filarial worm. Next one, industrial melanism is an example of industrial melanism. They are talking about your white-winged moth and your dark-winged moth. Okay, dark-winged moth. This is what they are talking about. Clear? White-winged moth and dark-winged moth. So it was a, what is it? Was it mutation? Was it natural selection? Was it genetic drift? Artificial hybridization? Artificial selection. Okay, so white-winged moth was present before industrialization. Okay, before industrialization. And this was present after. Okay, this was present after. Obviously both the species was not completely eradicated. Okay, yes, easy question. What's the answer? Yes, B is the answer, natural selection. Okay, industrial melanism. Next one, the age of earth is estimated approximately to be 4.5 billion years ago, 6.5, 2 and 1 million years ago. Yes, JEE aspirants answering biology questions. The age of earth is estimated to be approximately how many years old? All of you, 4.5, 6.5, 2, 1 million years ago. Okay, yes, yes, all of you tell me. Bhavana, you're going to check the attendance of the class. You're going to make sure that students are marking the attendance. Okay, so the class leader for today's class is going to be Bhavana. Right, Bhavana? So you're going to ask all of them to mark their attendance. Yes, will Bhavana do that for me? Yes, what's the answer? It is 4.5 billion years ago. And if I ask you the question, when did first life happen on earth? Your answer should be 4 billion years ago. Okay, 4 million years ago. So there was a gap of 5.0, that is around 500 years difference was there. Okay, 500 year difference was there. Okay, done. Next one, the concept of use and disuse. The concept of use and disuse was given by whom? Okay, Darwin, Lamarck, Huxley and Mendeley. Okay, thank you. Yes, very nice. You people are right. Very good. Okay, thank you. Yes, Bhavana, you will be checking on that. Okay, the concept of use and disuse was given by whom? That is, there he was telling that if I keep using something, like I'm very strong with my right hand because I'm continuously using it. The other hand I'm not using it, so it became like the strength has reduced, which makes sense, right? Because when you practice something for a longer time, automatically that becomes your strong point. So something he told like this, he explained it with the help of the giraffe neck, and then he also told that this characters can come into the next generation, like I pierce nose, right? And my nose has been pierced. So that does that mean my next generation will all have nose piercing? No, because this is done later in my lifetime. Only if the germ plasm is changed, then it is going to come to the next generation. Okay, so what is the answer going to be? Yes, very good. The answer is going to be Lamarck. He was the one who gave the theory of use and disuse, and also gave the theory of acquired inheritance. Okay, theory of acquired inheritance. Homologous organs indicate, okay, I'll give you a trick for this, but once you answer, I'll give you a trick for this. Okay, because if I give you the trick, the answer is already there in the trick. Homologous organs include, so you can remember forelimbs as the example, forelimb of man, cheetah. Okay, you can remember this as the example. Now, with this example, tell me, homologous organs indicate what? Does it they indicate convergent, divergent, adaptive or co-evolution? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Yes. All of you. And are you guys enjoying my classes? You people are not letting me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Are you enjoying my classes? Do you want me to, change anything about the biology classes? Because I'm so ready to help you every way possible for your boards. Okay, so let me know in the class. Okay, let me know in the comments of this video or in any other video that ma'am, it was helpful. Ma'am, I would wish you did this. Whatever it is. Okay, KCET is going to start. Except KCET, you can ask anything else. KCET is going to start soon. Okay. Yes, so the trick is going to be, I think most of you answered, so I'm going to give you the trick, HDAC. That means in a room which has AC, we'll have HD. Okay, we'll have HD. Okay, you're feeling doubtful. Okay, you're feeling doubtful. Okay, enjoying, very nice. So HDAC means H stands for homologous. Okay, D stands for what? Divergent. Okay, A stands for analogous and C stands for convergent. So how will you remember? AC, HDAC. That means in a room which has AC, they will always have a HD TV. Okay, they will always have a HD TV like a theater, right? So you remember that HD. So homologous will have divergent evolution. Thumbs up in the chat if all of you understood that, and if it was a new trick, definitely thumbs up. Okay, the primate which existed 15 million years ago was, the primate that existed 15 million years ago was, okay, yes, 15 million years ago, the primate which existed was Homo habilis, Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Homo erectus. I will give you a trick to remember this. Remember draw hen. Okay, the new hen that we created is draw hen. Okay, draw hen. D for Dryopithecus. Wait, I will write it separately. Okay, D for Dryopithecus. Okay, R for Ramapithecus. A for Australopithecus. Okay, H for Homo habilis. E for Homo erectus. So, erectus is what I have written E for. N for Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. Clear? Draw hen. Thank you so much, Bhavana. Thank you so much for telling that. Yes. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, tell me the answer. What's the answer? The answer is going to be Ramapithecus, because Ramapithecus was found around 15 million years ago. Okay, 15 million years ago. Dryopithecus, again you can see the time period. Okay, Ramapithecus is the answer. Clear, all of you? Very nice. All of you have told the answer. See, single step large mutation leading to speciation. Okay, leading to speciation. Single step large mutation leading to speciation. So students, from my class every life we will keep one thing. Okay, we have to reach a target. Now let's say today we are going to keep a target of 35 likes. Okay, 35 likes in the class. So who is going to manage this? Today Bhavana is going to manage. So Bhavana is going to tell everyone 35 likes quickly in the chat. Okay, like that every day one student will be taking over this. So this is something that I do regularly in my class. This way students also get the motivation and they'll also start answering. They will enjoy the session. So all this we can start doing in our classes. Okay, so you can put a target, whatever target you want to put, you can put, no problem. Okay, 35 likes, 40 likes. This many answers should come. All the targets are welcomed in the class because we have to make the class entertaining and more fun. Okay, so single step large mutation leads to what? Speciation. What is that single step mutation called as? So mutation, a single step mutation is going to be called as what? Yes, it's going to be called as saltation. Okay, single step mutation is going to be called as saltation. At one step, one large step, mutation has happened. That will be called as saltation. Clear? Yes, yes, we have Tesla here. Wow, wow, what and all names. Yeah, fancy names, fancy names. Okay, I'm loving biology. Very nice, very nice. That's what I want every student to love, biology. Okay, it's a subject with so much life. How can it be boring? Brain capacity of Homo habilis. So students, only few brain capacities have been given, so you shouldn't be confused at all. Only few things have been given, right? 650 to 800 is given, 800 cc is given, 900 cc is given, 1400 cc is given. In this, you tell me how will you get confused? Only 3 of them are given. Now you tell me Homo habilis will have which brain capacity among all this? Which brain capacity? Come on. Yes. Eda mone. People are telling Malayalam. Okay. Yes. It's a movie in Malayalam. It has become very famous. The dialogue got so famous. Eda mone. It is actually one of the movies where all of you would have heard, no? Avesham song. I think everyone would have vibed for that song, okay? Avesham song. So that movie dialogue, that is. Yes, the answer is going to be 650 to 600, sorry, 650 to 800 cc. Very good. Next question. The findings of Miller's experiment on origin of life have proved evidence for what? So this I told you last time also, the findings of Miller's experiment, okay? Miller's experiment is the whole setup, right? It's the whole setup where we have a flask, electrodes are there, at 800 degrees Celsius, electrodes will be lighted up, then we'll get a liquid, and we told that chemical evolution happens. So among these people, yes, Illuminati song, okay? Which among this is the correct answer? That is, Miller proved which experiment right? Which scientist experiment? Is it theory of biogenesis, Operin-Halden theory, theory of special creation, theory of organic evolution? Come on, all of you in the chats, quickly answer to me. Quickly answer, okay? ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, every class, okay? Every class, okay? Yes, quickly. Let's see. Done, done, done. Okay, what's the answer? The answer is going to be they helped Operin and Halden theory about chemical evolution. Okay, next question. The evolutionary idea that life came out of decaying and rotten matter like straw, mud, etc. is advocated by which theory? So students, this theory is talking about how life comes from dead and decayed. Okay, dead and decayed. So actually this theory came from many theories, but one of the theories is that, okay, I'm not sure about the answer was that, okay, the theory was that students, they kept a sack of wheat, okay, a sack of wheat. On the wheat they had kept a dirty cloth, okay, dirty cloth which was filled with sweat, and they left this for 21 days plus 21 days. They noticed that there were mice around it and everything, okay? So people thought that, oh, life comes like this. If you keep this combination, from tomorrow one, you know, animals will start coming inside and, you know, start growing. But that is not the truth, right? It is not the truth. Why did the organisms come? Because of the sweat, because of the dirt, and because of how old it was. So this theory is going to be theory of spontaneous generation, because it's not Big Bang theory, it's not theory of panspermia, it's not theory of chemical evolution. Very good, answer is C. Very, very good. Tesla, you're wrong. Answer is C. Okay, answer is going to be C. That is theory of spontaneous generation. Okay, spontaneous generation. We can also say abiogenesis. The chemical evolution of life was experimentally proven by the chemical evolution. Just now we discussed. Just now we discussed. The chemical evolution of life was experimentally, okay, experimentally proved by. Yes. Hello, Tanuja. Yes, very nice. Tell me quickly. I'm not sure about the answer. I'm sure about the answer. What is the answer? Yes, Tanuja, make them mark the attendance now. Okay, yes. Very nice, very nice. What's the answer? It's going to be Stanley Miller, okay, because experimentally, see students, the chemical evolution was given, the theory was given by Operin and Halden, but experimentally it was proven by Stanley Miller. So the answer has 2 times, so listen carefully, understand carefully. The chemical evolution of life was experimentally proved by. The question is talking about who proved it experimentally, and it is going to be Miller, because Operin and Halden just gave the theory. Is this clear to all of you? Theory was given, okay, the theory was given by Operin and Halden. Theory was proven with the help of experiment by Stanley Miller. Done, done. Okay, done. According to Operin, okay, according to Operin, which one of the following was not present in primitive atmosphere of Earth? Evolution chapter, very important questions, okay? Yes, tell me, according to Operin, which one of the following was not present, okay, in the atmosphere of Earth? That is the reason why life was not easy on Earth. I have given the clue. Okay, after this also if you tell, ayyo ma'am clue eno kotilla, see I have given the clue. Okay, easy clue I have given. Tell me, all of you in the chats. Yes, that's the spirit, Tanuja. Yes. Tell me. Quickly tell me, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is going to be oxygen, because if oxygen was there, then life would have happened way before, right? Life would have happened way before. But life did not happen because oxygen was lacking. Next. And that was the last question. Okay, that was the last question. Now the next question is, have you all subscribed to the channel? Have you all subscribed to the channel? Quickly go and subscribe to the channel, because this channel is going to help you in your boards as well as your KCET as well as your Comet K exams. Okay, so students, we have done more questions and your top 100 MCQs series is going to come to an end. Today was the last class, and that is my class. Okay, today was the last class of your top 100 MCQs. We have picked up the most repeated question. Please do understand that the question patterns will be changed here and there, but the question is going to be the same. Okay, the next thing I want all of you to do is quickly go and join the Telegram channel. Okay, quickly go and join the Telegram channel. That is, the link is in the description box. Click on the link and you will directly be directed to the Telegram channel where you are going to get all of this notes. Okay, the video was so small, right? 40 minutes we finished so many MCQs, right? More than 25 plus MCQs we have done, and in each subject you have done that. So 100 MCQ series is coming to an end. Okay, thank you so much for joining. See you all in next class. Bega video na like ಮಾಡಿ, share it with your college friends as well, because they are also going to be benefited. And tomorrow, okay, tomorrow you're going to get a complete biology diagram based marathon. Okay, that is all the repeated questions together I will be doing, and for KCET also marathons will be lined up. Do not worry, boards is our aim, midsem is a small portion of that. Okay, Serena, okay, yes, I will definitely do marathon. Hi Sony, hi. Okay, hi and bye, because I'm ending the session. Thank you so much for joining. If you're watching it recorded, do let me know in the comments if the session was helpful, and do let me know the answers of the question as well. See you all, bye bye. Okay, see you all, bye bye.